Pine Acres RV here in Moncton, coming at you with a brand spanking new arrival. It is a 2023 Forest River Wildcat 1. The model number is 36MB. MB stands for Mid-Bunk. We got one slide over on this side, a beautiful laminate finish. We're gonna power on it with LED lights. Multiple connections on the outside. I'll come over and show you. I see it's prepped for one of those ladders, retractable ladders, prepped for a backup camera. 3 more slides over on this side. Over towards the front. You get the furnace, hot water tank, storage compartment. There's another slide here. Check out the pin box. I actually put a flagpole up in there. Take a look at the storage. See, we got aluminum construction out front. Another spot here. So we got cable connections, power connections, so you can mount a TV outside if you'd like. We got underbelly insulation, solid steps. I like it. Let's go in. Okay, walking in the Wildcat 1. Shut that door. There we go. The pièce of résistance. Let's start up with the dinette. Lots and lots of windows in those slides.
I forgot to mention, the dinette converts into a bed.
Huh, we got a cornhole game that comes with. All right, Thomas Paine recliners directly in front of your TV and fireplace. Again, lots and lots of windows. Storage up top. Love that little nook right there with a light. We got USB connections, power connections. The sofa out back, that does convert into a bed. A nice fireplace that is throwing out some heat right now. You gotta like that. Beautiful center island. Extra large sink. We get a pantry. Lots of room in there for storage. Microwave, 3-burner stove. We got your easy bake oven. Towel holder. All right, check out this Everchill fridge. I love it. Fridge portion. Freezer. Jeez, that seems bigger than usual. If you're horizontally challenged, they're giving you a little step stool. Okay, we talked about Mid-Bunk. Here it is, and it's unique. I like. Storage. Of course, these come right out. Love that, and they look great. Okay, not one, not two, but a third bunk over here. I will say that floor doesn't look to be all that comfy, but it's doable. And up these ladders. Yeah, there's the other bunk. Oh, I should have used that step stool. Okay, there's the living area. Let's keep going. Down the hall. If you're extra short, you can hang your jacket right there. All right, we got the control panel. Bathroom up next. Nice corner shower. We got a skylight. Love where they put that fan. All right, across the way, we got the sink. Medicine cabinet. Well, not cabinet, but little nook here. You got your mirror. Master bedroom, and I like it. Nice and tall ceilings in here. dresser. That is a king-size bed. Love that headboard. This unit does have 2 ACs. Check out the closet. Again, with these guys, I like those. Lots of room. See, we got plug-ins right here. And that's because you can put a washer-dryer combo. That's right. You can live in this thing. Another great spot here to hang another TV. And out front, oh yeah, USB connections, power connections. And out front, nice big closet. Place to put some shoes from one side to the other. I like it. What is this? I don't have my glasses. I think it's a Wi-Fi router. I should bring my glasses in. All right. Oh, it's no fun getting old. Folks, if you like our very first Wildcat 1 Mid-Bunk, come on down to 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.